Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful spiral pattern worked in 4 colors. We start in the center and go round and round. The increase is same as we increase for circular motifs, and only thing is we increase on each color. Okay, so it's a multiple of the number of stitches that we take in the center. That is a mathematics, crochet mathematics for any circular motif. How many ever stitches you take, the subsequent rounds you increase by so many number of stitches. That way you get a very flat circle. Okay, so without much delay friends, let us go into the video. But prior to that, let me tell you, I have worked this particular motif with my hobby store Aran 100% premium acrylic anti-pill yarn and a 5 mm clover crochet hook. So let's go into the video friends. With color A, chain 2, now the second chain from the hook, place 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet. Pull up a loop and place a stitch marker. Now pick up color B and into that same chain, this chain, insert your hook and pick up color B and secure it into it. Oh. Now with color B, place 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet into the ring. Again secure it with a stitch marker. Now do the same with color C and D. I shall join color C, color D and get back. Let me take color C. Take color C again into the same chain space, join, so initially the loose ends will be seeming to be clumsy, but they will get hidden. So place 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet. Pull up the loop, secure it with a stitch marker. It is better to secure it with a stitch marker for every color so that those loose ends don't snip off like. Okay, now let me be back with color D. Now join color D in similar fashion. One single crochet, this will seem clumsy, doesn't matter, 1 half double crochet and 1 double crochet. Now let us continue to work with color D. So we have 3 stitches in each color, so totally 12 in the round. So we are going to do the increase as we do the increase while working in a circle. So the first round is 1 single stitches and the second will be a multiple of that. So we place 2 stitches in each of them so that it doubles. Then in the third round it's going to be an increase of 1 stitch alternatingly, so that 6, that is when we place the stitches, we place 1 2 1 2 1 2. Again in the fourth round 1 1 2 1 1 2, similarly. So now let me continue with the same color. So now henceforth we are going to work only with double crochets. So place 2 double crochets in each of these stitches. Two in each of these stitches on top of color B here, color A here. At the end of this round we will have increased by 6 into 4. Now you place the stitch marker on this, remove the stitch marker. Now it's time to place 2 double crochets on each of these here. Increase this color. So every color has to be increased. For this spiral stitch we are having an increase of 12 after every round. Don't worry if this is loose, it will get corrected when we work this color. Expert crocheters can work without the stitch marker. So 2 stitches in each of them. Round after round, when we complete the last, we continue and go ahead. So at the end of this round it will look like this. Now we continue with the same color. What we do now here is we have 6 stitches. So in this 6 stitches we are going to place increase alternatingly. So the first one is going to be once double, second one 2 doubles, third one 1 double, the fourth 2 doubles, fifth 1 double, and the sixth 2 doubles. Now this color we have continued to work after placing 2 doubles on each. So let us place 1 2 3. in this point let us place a stitch marker, so when we come back we end at this particular point, and then again we will continue. So do the same with the other colors too. So when I start working with this color, I shall get back. So again here you are going to place 1 2 1 2 1 2. Again here 1 2 1 2 1 2. Again with this color here 1 2 1 2 1 2. So when I get back here, I shall complete and get back to the video. I have placed my last stitch of my round 3 here. So now I have this pattern. Henceforth we are going to increase 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 2. So in this manner we continue the round, and we continue with the same color here. Okay, let this yeah, so I'll show you the, so here we place 1 double, 1 double, 2 doubles. So let me mark my last stitch of this round here so that I have clarity. Again 1 1 2. If you go wrong in the increases, your shape will not be all right. The shape of the spiral will not work out proper. Pull up the loop, place the stitch marker here. This marks the end of this round here. Now continue to work in similar fashion with other 3 colors. I shall complete and get back. This is how it looks at the end of 4th round. At the end of 4th round we have 12 in each color, and so 48. This is where we end, and now we place this, remove the stitch marker, place it here and continue the stitches, and here we are going to increase at every 4th stitch. So the method of increasing is same as we increase while we work with circles. So I shall place the stitches and show you. So I am continuing. Now it's going to be 1 double crochet each in each of the next 3. So every 3 stitches we are going to convert them into, every 4 stitches we are going to convert them into 5. So 1 2 3, and in the 4th we are going to place 2. So continue till the end. I shall complete all the round with all the colors and get back. And this is where we begin our 5th round. Just a marker to begin our 5th round. So I have placed 1 increase for the 5th round with this color. So with the next color we go ahead. So 15 into 4, we will be having 60 stitches at the end of this round. So 1 stitch each. Now we increase and continue with the other colors. This is how it looks at the end of round 5. For round 6, we will increase at every 6th stitch. So 1 2 3 4, sorry, every 5th stitch. So we have increased 4 to 5 in this round. So we are having 15 stitches here. 3 6 9 12 15. So this 15 we are going to convert into 18 in round 6. So 1 2 3 4, 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you can increase it in this manner to the width that you want, the width of the spiral you want. I shall complete few more rounds and get back to you and show you how to finish it off. Actually, this is a multiple of 12 we have taken, so every round will increase by 12 stitches overall. So in each color it's going to be, there are 4 colors, in each color it's going to increase by 3 stitches. So that is the mathematics for this particular spiral. Okay, complete few more rounds. I shall also complete few more rounds, maybe up to 8th round or 9th round, and get back to you and show you how to complete it. So if you want to complete it here, you simply have to, at every stitch you have to place 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 SC, fasten off. Again with this color, 1 half double, 1 single crochet, 1 slip stitch, fasten off. Again with the third color, 1 half double, 1 single, 1 slip stitch, fasten off. Again here the same way. So let me complete few more rounds. You also try to complete a bigger version of this and get back. I shall complete at least up to 8th row and get back. 8th round and get back. This is how it looks at the end of round 8. Okay, now it's time to fasten off. I wanted this size. It's roughly 8.5 to 9 inches in diameter. It's almost 9 inches in diameter. Okay, let me show you how to fasten off. I'll just complete the round here. So every color, place 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. So let me close up the camera. Yeah, 1 single crochet in the next and a slip stitch, and cut the yarn, and then you need to hide it. Again similarly you work with each of the other 3 colors. So 1 half double, 1 single, and a slip stitch. So in similar manner complete the other 2 colors too. I shall complete and get back. So we have completed the spiral with 4 colors. You can work with n number of colors, accordingly you will get the shape and a beautiful colorful motif you will land up with. This can be customized to any size, so whichever size you want, accordingly you can increase the rounds and complete it. Okay, and this is a great piece for your purses, sling purses, etc. Okay, that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make another piece and make it into a sling bag. Okay, hope you like this video, friends. If you happen to be the first time viewer for our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos and new projects that we upload every other day. Do like and share our videos too. Have a great day, friends. I shall be back with another pattern in the next video. Bye for now.